This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Ha ka Jingdap Kyrwoh Snem jong ka Jing Shakri ka Sorkar pedeng hapo ka Jing Yalam Myntri rang bak duk keri Narendra Modi ka jela Meghalaya ru kalai shimentalang ya kane ha ka ba Myntri kena ka Ministry of External Affairs Upabitra Margarita ulawan manyu kejat sya ka jela bani shimenta ha ka Jing Thung Dieng ka bala penlong ha ka jaka jong ka school right Laban Secondary School ha ka step jong ka apusan terik ujiliu hajar apusan ka Jingwan shimenta jong uni Myntri Sorkar pedeng ka dairu ha ka school ka bala rem bat kabala ya ka Jing Shakri kumbas sanpulai Snem ha ka puli putih. Kajingwan uni Myntri kadai ka program kabala penbet da UMLA ka Shillong South ubak sanbuar Shulai ringkat ka Jing Tynrai lang bat kibuat peniat school bat kumjuru kinang yalam shnong. Ha ka ni ka snilai dan lang ru Myntri ka tanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ka Sorkar jela ubak AL hek na lor kiwe. Haba Jing trending kot Myntri ulapan pau ya ka Jing men ban yo manishimenta ha ka Jing Thung Dieng ha ka jaka jong ka teka school ka balaseng nadu ki Snem marbut bat ka Jing yo jela jong ka Meghalaya.
Let him plan one. Excuse me, sir. Sir.
This is too big point.
Okay.
Too big point.
This is too big. This.
I'm sure what Pellet living I don't come.
Kamu bersenat ba kalau yang pelong yang ka tree plantation. Hakaba lawan Sobahaga Union Minister of State Pabitra Margarita UMP na Assam. Te ulawan ngilong ka nagaliang joga naga school right Laban Secondary School baru hikai managing committee ki kena school ni piang Sobahayu baga liang ke parti ke jungiru nak liang jong ke parti presiden ki wan nang tabro kinong kam ju parti ba hek balung kumu MLA na pentor ke dan lang bat ngilaya jiat mada kenti ya kana school ke ba itnat kana ke school ba he bani Thung kana golong sibenta kumko program jong ka Jingdap Kyrwoh Snem ka 11 years activities of the Narendra Modi government. There are programs every part of India in tree plantation.
As a minister or as an MP, I should say that there are three things one minister can do. First of all, we can communicate with the state government officially. Generally, what happens, the schools and colleges are it's a state subject, infrastructure development. Secondly, whether there are any schemes of central government under which the schools like this can be renovated or any financial assistance can be offered to this kind of schools. Third, as it is purely our ST dominated state, there are many schemes from the Department of Ministry of Development for ST also, whether there are some schemes. Thirdly, MPs also have some this MP related funds, but Rajya Sabha MPs expenditure is generally limited to their geographical jurisdiction. That is, I belong to Assam, that's why I can expand the state of Assam only, but there is a scope to some limited scope to give some project to other states also. Whether I have crossed that limit or whether still I have that capacity to give at least as a token of love and respect to the school or some any other school, I have to check it. So very seriously, I have noted all the points raised by our principal for the development and renovation of this institution. I have noted it very carefully, and going back to the capital, I will see whether on these four categories I have mentioned to speak to the state government, even honorable MLAs and ministers can speak to the Department of Education of Meghalaya government. I may not speak to the respective departments, but whether there is a scope of Minister of ST Development, whether there is a scope of Human Resource Ministry to give some financial assistance directly from Delhi. And third, personally at least, whether I can give, as a token of love and respect, at least a smart class, some books to the library, or some additional fund to this institution, I will discuss with my office and through my colleagues. I will let you know. I'm very much positive in this because if any public representative get opportunity to contribute for academic purposes, is always as a matter of immense satisfaction. So with that positive note, I'm looking forward. Whether at personal level, being an MP also, whether I can do something, I will discuss with my office and concerned ministers, and I will contact you back.
Hadirin kani Myntri ulah pendut poru banyak keren bat kinong yalam shnong, kumju bat kinong hikai halor ki babuan ripang.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ikan diat bat ka batau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.